Today we're going to change out this socket on this floodlight. This is what's called a lamp holder, this part that goes into this box. I've already turned the breaker off, but I'm just checking to make sure that there's no electricity in there, so we're good there. I have to go ahead and get some of this mulch and dirt off of the cover there. All right, first thing is channel lock pliers around this part. You just loosen this nut, spin that off of there. The reason I'm having to replace this is because the socket has rusted out and making the whole thing worthless. So I just unscrew this part out. This takes a few spins and it's out. Try this. I've replaced a few of these out here today. This is in our flower bed, and some of these screws just rusted out completely, but we're gonna try these and hope I'm not gonna bother. So show you a little trick. I'm gonna go get some wire nuts. What I was hoping for was to be able to take this cover off and to be able to get to the wire nuts inside and work on them that way, but unfortunately I can't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this. So that one's gone, that's the bad one. Strip off enough there on the black one, and then strip off enough on the white one. So we're good there. I want to find the smallest wire nuts possible among my collection here. So I've got a couple. And then I want to grab my new socket. Twist those together. Screw the wire nut on. Got the black ones. Twist those together. And then put the wire nut on. I put this light bulb doesn't look all that great either, but I'm going to try it. Screw that in. And then I'll turn the switch on. And you can see both lights are on, so that's great. Let's go turn the breaker back off. Okay, everything's off. Take a Phillips screwdriver, open that up, bend that little elbow, tighten it back up, and now what we want to do is we want to push these wires back in. And so, yeah, this is extra connections, but we didn't have to worry about the taking the plate off and worrying if things were rusted inside there even more, and who knows what else we would run into. Now we just got to worry about getting these nuts inside. Just screw this in until it hit the nut, and then reach that point and I get my channel lock pliers. And I just tighten this down and I'll put these screws back in. Okay. take my Phillips screwdriver, bring it back around here to this elbow, and I loosen it just a little bit. It's kind of hard because it's daytime. Don't know exactly where to put this, but I'm just guessing. When I get it to the position that I want it to be, then I tighten that up all the way, and that one should be in the right place too.